Sí, ni la mora primera vez, ¿no? ¿Necesito pasar por aquí otra vez?
Yeah, you cannot speak English too.
Ah,
Hindi magkasinabot kay Espanyol man siya.
Oh.
Hindi magkasinabot kay Espanyol man siya.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I'm going to Manipis. Where? Excuse me, señorita. Christine Lamor.
Street lang sir.
Un poco de español, señorita. Maybe how many minutes there?
Layo jud sila. Kuan jud ka minutos mo.
Señorita, do you speak English, señorita? I'm española.
Kuweng tulagtang.
No entiende Bisaya, señorita. Can you speak English?
No.
Mga 2 hours.
2 hours.
Manipis 2 hours.
Manipis.
Manipis man.
Go.
Mga 2 hours
I will go
Maybe
Tabunok.
you come back and then you
Tabunok.
come Tabunok.
Tabunok.
Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here.
You cannot understand English or
I speak Española.
Espanyol
It's okay, English. I can speak English.
maybe you go Tabunok and then left turn.
So,
go to
what is
Manipis.
this place?
San
San
Antonio.
Antonio.
So I lost my way.
Maybe okay if you not lose,
You pass
you go past.
Go straight.
So I can go straight there.
Straight.
No, it's far away.
It's far, so it's better.
Maybe you
So go
to the
back.
highway.
Back to the highway.
So 5 minuto going to Manipis.
Oh, going to Manipis and then
5 minuto going to Manipis. 5 minuto.
Dili sa
Half hour.
10 minutes.
half hour.
Half hour.
Hour.
So Christine Lamora primera vez, ¿no? ¿Necesito pasar por aquí otra vez?
Yeah, you cannot speak English too.
Hindi magkasinabot kay Espanyol man siya. Hindi magkasinabot kay Espanyol man siya.
¿Puedes recomendarme un buen restaurante?
Oh, maybe if you go to
What is good restaurant here? Good restaurant. You have a
this good restaurant too, bro. If you want to eat simple restaurant, okay, bro. Maybe that one.
what is delicious food there? Do you have recommendations?
No
Food?
recommendations, bro. At least we have one a good
Yeah, I want a famoso food. Famoso.
maybe.
Famous.
Oh.
Here.
Like a lechon or a pollo frito or chicken.
Sa
we
Tabunok.
have chicken.
Tabunok. Tabunok.
One.
Nasa diyan.
Kanang
Chicken
one chicken
fried.
butter.
Okay, because of your kindness, I have something for you, señorita, señorito. So that's yours, Okay?
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay. Muchas gracias. Buenos días, señorito. What is your name?
Hermes.
Hermes. You?
Antoinette.
Antoinette?
Gigi.
Gigi. So ako dahil si Brad Gigi ha. Ako niya mo adton ako.
Hello.
Vlog. Ya, pang-snack lang ninyo ha. Di, pang-snack lang ninyo ha. Ako tong guys sa Espanyol bitaw, ga-vlog ko ba ha? Nga.
Vlog.
Tunga lang ninyo kamo lay sabot. Sa ako na iposa. Sige, adto na ko ha. Sige, buenas noches, señorita. Amping-amping mo diri ha. Sige. Ako yan na iposa. Oh, shout out ha, Delcano Eatery. Naraman mo ta, ano na yung lugar diri? San Antonio, Talisay City. Okay, thank you ha. Sa gusto mo ka, nara diri yung pinakalami nga tindahan, Delcano Eatery ha. Wow.